So we will start with the product training. On digital medium, our product is website.
Our digital presence.
Our digital presence is our product. So we will start with the website, and then we have to decide to whom we have to reach for this website. कहाँ तक पहुँचना है, किसके पास पहुँचना है, कैसे पहुँचना है.
To the buyers.
So until unless you don't have the clarity of your target audience, you cannot do right kind of effective marketing. You will do something, something will happen, something will come, but you are not doing an efficient kind of marketing. So there is difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. In traditional marketing, what we do shout kind of marketing. क्या करते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर में ऐड दे दिया, जिसको जरूरत है वो भी देख रहे हैं, जिसको जरूरत नहीं है वो भी देख रहे हैं. टीवी में ऐड आ रहा है, जिसको चाहिए वो भी देख रहे हैं, जिसको नहीं चाहिए वो भी गालियाँ देख रहे हैं कि ऐड क्यों आता है, राइट? So when we are doing digital marketing, we want that digital marketing should be to the targeted one. Digital marketing में क्या होता है? Now actually जो लोग traditional marketing में थे वही digital marketing में move कर रहे हैं, तो mindset तो same है. So that's why if you are seeing irrelevant ad to you, अगर आप internet पे जाते हो और आपको irrelevant ad दिख रहा है, इसका मतलब समझ लो कोई traditional marketing वाला बंदा digital marketing में आ गया है, because they don't have idea about the target audience. If you are not clear about your target audience, you would like to reach to all the people, and when you are reaching all the people, you are diluting your effort. So the digital marketing is not only marketing, it's marketing when you are reaching to the right kind of person, when you are reaching to the interested people, when you are reaching to the audience which have shown little bit of interest in your product and services, then you are doing the right kind of digital marketing. An example, best example you can see that कि जब भी वेबसाइट पे आप कहीं पे कोई भी कुछ देखते होगे, मेक माई ट्रिप पे टिकट बुक कराया, अब क्या होता है, मेक माई ट्रिप की ऐड आपको जहाँ जाओगे वहाँ पे that is the way of digital marketing. Means you have shown little bit of interest, थोड़ा सा एक बार आपने आपने उसकी वेबसाइट को विजिट की है, जैसे ही विजिट की है इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपको इंटरेस्ट होगा तभी तो विजिट की होगी. आपको जहाँ से उसको पता चल गया कि this one is interested, they will start following you, and it makes sense to follow you. It makes sense to follow you. Yes.
मैं ऐसे कह रहा था तो यहाँ तक फॉलो करते हैं कि आपने कहाँ से कहाँ की टिकट बुक की.
Yes,
तो अगली बार आपको सिर्फ वही दिखा रहा है. दिल्ली टू पटना में, दिल्ली टू बनारस, ये दिखा रहा है.
Yes, exactly. I will show you how you can do that. You can do the same.
That's great.
I will show you how you can do that. So that is the awesomeness of the digital marketing. So it makes sense to follow you because you have visited my website rather than giving my advertisement to all the person who is not interested in flying. Bombarding my advertisement to everyone does not make sense. You are wasting money, you are wasting energy, you are wasting your time. So digital marketing, the second thing, first you have to keep in your mind your product. Second thing you have to keep in your mind who is your exact target audience. And you have to try for every possible clue that target audience has little bit shown interest in your product. वो कैसे भी दिखा सकते हैं इंटरेस्ट, आपकी वेबसाइट को विजिट करके दिखा सकते हैं, आपके वीडियो को देख करके, आपके वीडियो को व्यू किया होगा, आपके फेसबुक पोस्ट को लाइक किया होगा, आपके व्हाटएवर एक्शन दे मे डू, न्यूज़लेटर सब्सक्राइब किया होगा, आपको कॉल किया होगा, आपको मेल किया होगा, व्हाटएवर एक्शन दे मे टेक, बट यू हैव टू टेक फर्स्ट क्लू दैट दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन योर प्रोडक्ट. They may not be mature right now. अभी उनका बर्थडे नहीं आया है, अभी उनकी सैलरी नहीं आई है, अभी वो छुट्टियां मना रहे हैं, so they may not take the final action, but they have shown the interest. If I need a projector, I will search the projectors. That means कि मुझे कभी ना कभी projector काम आने वाला है. When I will mature enough, then that option should be in my mind. If you are doing right kind of marketing, तो प्रोजेक्टर मैंने आज सर्च किया है, 6 महीने बाद मैं प्रोजेक्टर का यूज करूंगी, तो 6 महीने बाद आपका बिजनेस मेरे दिमाग में चिपका होना चाहिए कि मुझे यहीं से प्रोजेक्टर लेना है. So that is the digital marketing, and that's why it's different from the traditional marketing. That you can do in the digital marketing, that you cannot do in the traditional marketing. Traditional marketing में आप क्या कर सकते हैं, स्पॉट बाय करेंगे जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा फुटफॉल होती है, कोई ऐसा मॉल बाय करेंगे जहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा फुटफॉल होती है, and then you will open your shop. You cannot guarantee कि आप एक बोर्ड लगा सकते हैं, मैंने आरओ वाला का बोर्ड आगे लगाया है, लेकिन कितने लोगों ने देखा, कितने लोगों ने उससे इंक्वायरी की, नो आइडिया. बट व्हेन आई रन अ कैंपेन ऑफ दिस इवेंट, आई नो एग्जैक्टली कि 900 लोगों ने मेरे इसको देखा, इतने लोगों ने इंगेज किया, इतने लोगों ने क्वेश्चंस पूछा, इतने लोगों ने मेल किया, इतने लोगों ने लाइक किया, इतने लोगों ने इसको शेयर किया. आई नो एग्जैक्ट हाउ मच टाइम आई हैव इन्वेस्टेड, हाउ मच मनी आई हैव इन्वेस्टेड एंड हाउ मच रिजल्ट आई हैव. So a lot of experiment is there. This is the difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. So the difference is कि there you cannot measure exactly, here you can measure every single damn thing, every single thing you can measure. Third, on target audience, when we are talking about target audience, you can have two kind of target audience, the direct one and indirect one. When I am saying direct one, who has shown your interest, indirect one may not have shown your interest, but have shown interest in the similar kind of product and services. Means your competitors or let's
If I have visited yatra.com, then Make My Trip already has an idea that this guy is looking for something.
yes, that the direct competition हो गया. Direct competition and indirect when I am talking about, कि someone has taken training, so he might be interested in next value job, he might be interested in job. So if someone has taken training, he might be interested in internship. So
it's like if I have hired a ticket, then I might be interested in getting an insurance.
yes, that kind of the indirect target audience. The target audience is same, but the product is different.
So you are having a flight and you can have a hotel stay.
Yes, hotel stay. That if you are having a flight, then hotel can also target the person who has.
There's some word for this in marketing. Add-on bundle.
Sorry.
इसको इस मार्केटिंग मेथड को एक चीज बोलते हैं ना. When अगर मेरे से कोई बंदा एक चीज खरीदा है, तो मैं उसे और भी चीजें बेचने की कोशिश करता हूँ.
Cross selling, upselling. Cross selling, upselling. Yeah, but cross selling, upselling you can do with your own product. When you are targeting you don't have any product and you have to reach that kind of customers, you have to analyze that customers. Like whoever has done BE, BTech, MCA, MBA, so that can be my indirect customers. Even they haven't shown an interest. उन्होंने कोई इंटरेस्ट शो नहीं किया है, लेकिन उनकी प्रोफेशनल डिग्रीज है, तो दैट कैन बी वाइड इनडायरेक्ट काइंड ऑफ कस्टमर्स. सो यू कैन डू दैट काइंड ऑफ टारगेटिंग. एक तो हम डायरेक्ट टारगेटिंग कर सकते हैं, दूसरी इनडायरेक्ट टारगेटिंग कर सकते हैं. इनडायरेक्ट टारगेटिंग में वी डिफाइन एग्जैक्टली कि उनका डिग्री क्या हो सकता है, उनका इनकम क्या हो सकता है, उनकी एज ग्रुप क्या हो सकती है, उनका लोकेशन क्या हो सकता है, उनकी प्रोफाइल क्या हो सकती है, उनका इंटरेस्ट क्या हो सकता है, उनकी डिजिटल एक्टिविटीज क्या होती है. So I will suggest whenever you are going for the target, make sure to create a Excel sheet out for that. एक Excel sheet बना लेंगे. उस Excel sheet को we will visit our Facebook, LinkedIn और कोई social media profile जाएंगे and we will find the right kind of ideal customer from there. Let's suppose I will visit one profile. I feel that this is the right ideal customer for me. उसकी जो भी प्रोफाइल है वो सारी डिटेल एक्सेल में आई विल मेंशन दैट. लेट्स सपोज यू गाइस आर द आइडियल ऑडियंस फॉर मी. व्हाट नेक्स्ट आई हैव टू डू? आई हैव टू फाइंड सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ गाय देयर, राइट? सो दैट कैन बी द बेस्ट काइंड ऑफ customers. Rather than shouting everywhere, I will find similar. I will go through your Facebook profile and I will create a Excel sheet for कि आपकी डिग्री क्या है, आपका एजुकेशन क्या है, आपके इंटरेस्ट क्या है, आपके डिजिटल बिहेवियर क्या है, आपका एज ग्रुप क्या है, आपकी फ्यूचर प्लानिंग क्या है, बिजनेस में है, एजुकेशन में है, स्टूडेंट हैं, लाइक कितना टाइम फेसबुक पे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. दैट आई विल मेक आइडिया फ्रॉम योर फेसबुक प्रोफाइल एंड देन आई विल फाइंड सिमिलर ऑडियंस. Isn't it? So it's easier and better and efficient one rather than shouting to everyone. So after that, once you have clear with your target audience, make sure to create the Excel for that. After that, what you will do? Target audience clear हो गया. मुझे पता चल गया कि मुझे जो ये exhibitions की stall sell करनी है, वो exhibitions की stall जो sell करनी है, वो केवल और केवल business owners को ही sell करनी है. फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया बिजनेस ओनर को सेल करनी है, नोएडा के बिजनेस ओनर को सेल करनी है एंड लाइक इस एज ग्रुप के बिजनेस ओनर्स को सेल करनी है. आईटी का
वन इज स्पेस सेलिंग there is they have got the different niche marketing. They have got like it's called automobile. And we only for the people who are doing the automobile.
So accordingly you will decide your target
Yeah,
audience.
different type of
If
And
the-
second area is where I'm considering on is that the exhibitors, they have got a lot of products but they want to launch it.
Yes.
We give them the shop launch it. So this idea we share with it's a different niche market.
Okay, so as your products change, your audience will change.
Yes, yes, I do.
So if you have different products, you will have different audience. So that clarity you should have. So after target audience, third thing what you will plan?
I will tell them, look, this is it, what I have for you.
Yes, that is the marketing material. Next thing you need a marketing material. You have to, whatever business you start, सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? Pamphlet या फिर billboard या फिर visiting card, यही सारी, what all these are? These are your marketing material in offline business. अगर offline business start करना तो ऐसे करेंगे. Online business start करना है तो again you have to create a digital marketing material. So that digital marketing material can be your Facebook post, can be your website content, can be your video, YouTube video, can be your PPT, एक simple might be your email to your friends, can be your marketing material. So you have to decide what kind of marketing material you need for this to reach this audience. So whenever you are creating marketing material, make sure to answer two questions: what and why. अगर आप मार्केटिंग मटेरियल बना रहे हो तो whom you will create the marketing material? इस टारगेट ऑडियंस के लिए बनाएंगे एंड इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए बनाएंगे. So this product is your what exactly within 30 seconds after seeing a website, within 30 seconds if you can see that what exactly they are selling, what information they are providing, अगर 30 सेकंड के अंदर आपको पता चल जा रहा है, that means they have created their marketing material in a right way. If it taking more than 30 seconds to make sure that कि वो exactly क्या product services इसको पता करने में आपको 30 सेकंड से ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है, that means they have to improve their marketing material. So exactly within 30 seconds, what, why, means I'm giving digital marketing training. So digital marketing training मेरी वेबसाइट पे आते के साथ सबसे पता चल जाना चाहिए कि I am giving digital marketing training. So now you are option ki okay, someone is looking for the training, you are one of the option. Now why you? If I have to do the exhibition, why you? Why not someone else? So you have to list the benefit of for this कि वो benefits इस target audience को क्या benefit मिलने वाले हैं. If you will come to this training, you will learn digital marketing, you will learn the process, you will learn the component, you will learn that you can make your career, you can start your business. All these are benefits. So whenever you are creating marketing material, you have to answer these two questions: what and why. Till this, ये जो तीन स्टेप हैं, प्रोडक्ट क्रिएशन, टारगेट ऑडियंस का डिसीजंस एंड मार्केटिंग मटेरियल. इट्स in an established company, when you will work as a digital marketers, so then in that company you may not get all the control over that. You have to convince your manager or owner or website owner or reporting manager or designer or developer कि मेरा marketing material क्या होना चाहिए. आप खुद से सारा काम नहीं कर सकते. So till this step you might have to work as a consultant, as an advisor rather than a marketer. You cannot create YouTube video yourself. In virtual employee you will dependent on Vishwajit. Vishwajit ऐसा वीडियो बनाना है और Vishwajit
कोई why answer will be not justified. अगर मैं खुद ही बोलूँ कि हाँ मैं ही सबसे अच्छा हूँ, it will not justify the customer कि मैं ही क्यों अच्छा हूँ. तो सबको ही कहता है कि मैं ही सबसे अच्छा हूँ.
no, so
As a consultant, अगर मैं third person बताऊँगा कि why I am good, then he might consider it कि हाँ ये मैं भी सही हूँ.
no, you okay. I'm saying the creation of the marketing material you are dependent on other people, but in that marketing material you have to say you are the best.
हाँ.
In different way, but you have to say the same thing. Okay, I am the best.
How to say it?
Yes, how to say that they should not realize it कि हाँ you are saying it.
Yes, exactly.
Indirectly saying that.
So that-
we are informing them we are the base, but we are not by telling the same thing, but we are making them understand that we are base.
Yes, that's why the list of features.
Yes.
That's why the list of features. That was the storytelling. That's why the testimonials. That's why I will ask all of you to share your experience on my website, so that other people can feel that okay, these guys are कितने लोगों ने ऑनलाइन प्रोडक्ट बाय किया है? सबने किया है? अगर प्रोडक्ट बहुत पसंद है, प्राइस के बाद प्राइस इज द फर्स्ट फैक्टर. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सबसे क्या देखते हो आप?
कस्टमर रिव्यूज.
कस्टमर रिव्यूज. प्राइस बहुत फैंटास्टिक है, प्रोडक्ट बहुत पसंद आ गया. फर्स्ट 3 कस्टमर रिव्यू पर हाँ वो तीनों बोल रहे हैं कि प्रोडक्ट बेकार है. विल यू बाय दैट? So that kind of trust factor you have to generate from your marketing material. So that is very important when you are creating marketing material. How you are generating that trust. So if you are not able to communicate that trust to your audience, then you are not going to do the digital marketing. And the challenge is that here we are talking face to face. यहाँ पे मैं आपको convince कर सकती हूँ face to face. But on the digital medium, you have to communicate each and everything from writing or videos or text or graphics or images. You are not there face to face, right? So when you have to present yourself to the target audience where you are not present, let's suppose you are going to meet your first client. पहली बार अपने पहला बिजनेस जनरेट करने के लिए अपने क्लाइंट से आप मिलने जा रहे हो, कैसे जाओगे? कैसे तैयारी करोगे?
Depending on the client, वो कैसा है,
क्लाइंट कैसा भी हो, आप तैयारी कैसे करोगे? बेस्ट शॉर्ट जो होगा,
attire.
Yes.
You should inform them this is my I should make myself clear what exactly I am going to share.
no. Clarity is different thing. How kind of preparation you will do? The best shot निकालोगे, shoes polish करेंगे, comb and
Yeah, this is personal presence only. But in digital, it will be completely in website. You will create something more with something more. So
that factor should be included in your when you have to feel that your website is going to meet your target audience first time. So your website should be well polished, shoes should be well polished, form should be there, best shirt should be there. So you have to take care of those things in your marketing material. If you are missing, if you are creating a website and you are sending this website to potential customers and your website is the first impression. वेबसाइट जो है वो आपकी पहली इंप्रेशन, आपका मार्केटिंग मटेरियल आपके कस्टमर के लिए क्या है? पहला इंप्रेशन है. पहला if the first impression is not right, you are not going to create the trust. So बहुत बार ऐसा होगा सेल्स का बंदा आता है, आते के साथ वो इंट्यूशन आ जाती है कि ये तो मुझे सेल करके जाएगा या नहीं जाएगा, right? So the same thing happened with the website. If you are creating the website and customers are coming and they are not feeling that wow, that means you have to work on your attire, right? So that include your look and feel of the website, that include the color combination, that include the call to action, that include the headline, that include the images, that include every aspect of your website. That's how we start with the website. So till here you have to work as a consultant. If you are working for the company, if you are getting started with your business, so you might have to do all these things yourself. अगर किसी कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं तब तो आपके पास डिजाइनर बैठा हुआ है, डेवलपर बैठा हुआ है, कंटेंट राइटर बैठा हुआ है, जो दिमाग में उनको बोल दो वो करके देगा तो ठीक है, नहीं करके देगा तो बोलेंगे क्या बनाते हो यार, इतनी